Hello everyone, we have division of fraction. Here, how do we divide fractions? First question here is 5 over 4 divided by 3. We have 5 over 4 divided by 3. Now to proceed further here, we need to change the division sign here to multiplication. When we change division sign to multiplication, what we have here, we are going to reciprocate it. That is, what we have here is 3. Then this becomes 1 over 3. Then change to multiplication. Then here we know this is going to give us 5 times 1, 5, 4 times 3, 12. So division resulted into multiplication. Second question. We have 4 over 5 divided by 5 over 7. Here in this question, having fraction and fraction. So what do we do? We have 4 over 5. For us to proceed further, we must change this division to multiplication. When we change this to multiplication, this fraction here will reciprocate it. That is inverse of it. Then we have 5 by 7. Then it becomes 7 over 5. Why does it become 7 over 5? Because we change this division to what? Times. So here in this case, here we have 4 over 5 times 7 over 5, no common factor, no common factor. So we have 4 times 7, 28, and we have the denominator, which is 5 times 5, and that will give us 25. And now, this is an example of an improper fraction. Here then becomes 1 whole number 3 over 25. Then we have the third question here is 3 whole number 1 over 3, 3 whole number 1 over 3 divided by 5. Here we are having mixed number divided by whole number. What do we do here is this: we change this to an improper fraction. That is 3 times 3, 9 plus 1. It's going to be 10 over 3 divided by 5. For us to proceed, we need to change this division to multiplication. Changing this to multiplication, this becomes 1 over 5. Inverse of that, then check in this case, 10 and 5 here, and here they have a common factor. So we have here 5 here, 1, and we have here 5 here, 2. So we have 2 over 3 times 1 over 1, and that's going to give us 2 over 3. Surely